In this video, I will show you how to add music to Facebook post. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your device. Now we will create a new post. To do that, you can either tap what's on your mind or tap plus icon at the top, and from here tap post. Now let's add an image to this new post. Tap on photo or video and now select the image from your photo gallery. Once you add an image to the post, tap edit. Next, tap music icon at the top. From here, you can search for the music and add whatever music you like. You can even preview the music using this play button before adding to the post. Let's add one of the music. Now tap next and finally tap done at the top to publish the post. So that is how you can add music to Facebook post. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.